Okay, recording your screen. Honestly, I'm making this video more for myself than I am for you, but I might as well make it public. So there's a few different methods. They vary in complexity and they also vary in utility. So the first version is just Command-Shift-5 on your MacBook, and that'll bring up this menu here, and you can record the entire screen, selected window, and you can choose where you want to save that to. Now this doesn't record the computer audio or any input audio. So that works to just record the visuals, but I'm gonna escape out of that. Now the other option that I used to use a lot was Loom. So Loom, I think it gives you up to 25 videos for free, limited at 5 minutes, but it also doesn't record internal audio. So I'm gonna play this here, and you'll see that when I click play on this YouTube video, I'm gonna click this. There's no audio. So what I've switched to now is using Tela. Tela is free for the first week. Unlimited videos, it's a lot more customizable. You can move your stuff around. It records 2 different sources. This is basically a Loom alternative. I find it better than Loom. And it also records the audio. It is free for the first week. You can save videos, download videos, do whatever you want. I think you have to pay, I think I paid $100 a year after the first week. So if you want a long-term free solution, I'm gonna get into that now, but if you wanna pay, I use this all the time, so it's worth it for me to pay for it. It's very convenient, and you get links to all of your videos, just like you do on Loom. Okay, so the free version is this kind of sketchy looking website. Now this works on QuickTime. And it is sketchy. It's not going to give you a virus. Like, here's the GitHub open source. It shows 16,000 people rated it. Like, people use it. So first thing you want to do is donate or not. You want to enter your email address. It's going to send the download link to your email. So you have to go to your email, open up the link, and that will bring you back to this page basically. Click the top option that will say to channel and click download. And then that will download somewhere on your computer. So, make sure you pay attention to where that downloads, whether it's in your downloads or to your desktop. Double click that package, open up, agree, yes, agree, go through all that to download that onto your computer. And once that is downloaded, then what you can do is you can open up the audio MIDI setup. So you can either open that up by going to your Launchpad and finding one of the apps, or what I do is I just click this little magnifying glass here, and I do audio MIDI setup. So I'll open up that, and what we want to do, you'll see that I have 2 channels here that you don't have. So we want to create 2 channels, one aggregate and the other one multi-output. Click the plus here, click aggregate. What we're going to want to do is, first of all, rename this so that you know what it is. So just double click on this and you can call it screen record audio. And what you want to do, select black hole 2 channel. So just click this one and that's it. That's all you need to do. And now for the next one, let's create another one, multi-output device. So we're going to rename this one as well, audio for recording. So this needs to be clearly what you're going to select. So name this audio needed for, like, basically, like something that you can remember. So what you need to select first is MacBook speakers, and then afterwards, then you can select black hole channel 2. And I'm going to unselect earpods. That's just because I'm recording in this one. Make sure they're in this order. If they're not in that order, then just unclick them and re-click them in that correct order. So you see black holes above. We'll just make sure black holes is selected after. That's all you need to do. And now we can get ready to record. So you can pull up the video that you want to record, and then you want to select it here. So you want to select the first one, audio for recording, and you'll notice that you can't control the output volume anymore. So first you want to go back here, select the amount of volume that you want, and then that will reflect over here. So then you want to switch to audio for recording, and that will capture the internal audio. And then what you can do is start capturing your video. So I'm going to say Command-Shift-5 on my Mac to open QuickTime. You can also just open that through the applications here, QuickTime. And then I'm going to start a recording. So options, what you want to do is select screen record audio. So that is different than audio for recording. This one is the second one you made, screen record audio. So make sure you name them for their respective purposes, because there's going to be 2 different things that you're selecting. And once you have that, you can start recording. Just click record. Display 1, I have a monitor, and it'll start recording. And that captures the audio. And once you're done, you just click the stop button here, and that will save right here, either to your desktop or your downloads. Okay, I hope that helped. That is everything that I've learned. There's obviously 2 different versions that are extremely complicated or not complicated. That's why I use Tela. Honestly, this isn't a bid for Tela. I don't even have an affiliate link yet, but Tela just works best. I've recorded tons of videos on there. I use it literally every single day. You can just use the regular Tela link too. It doesn't really matter to me, but that's what I use for screen recording. This is for my own purpose, and hopefully, you can learn how to do it as well. Okay, cool, thanks.